This is a marigold plant which I had taken in 15 days before. It was yet to flower. Now it is in full yield. Trust me, it is only one plant. You can see over here. It is only one plant which has given us very good yield. The next plant which has little less yield. It's a very small plant. You can see how beautiful the flowers are. This is the starting stage. This is the full yield stage. Few days before, I had taken this chili plant with a full yield. Now it has ripened. All the chilies are in red color. It is a special type of chili which is very hot and spicy. Size is very small. This is a radish plant which I have planted near about 15 days ago. Now it started. It will give yield in another 30 days time. It is a beans plant. You can see Hindi they called lobia. A small tomato plant. This flowers almost it is over. The season is over this year. You can see the color is being changed. almost it is in the finishing stage. You can use this waste small plastic cans for cultivation purpose of like this small plants. You can see the yield. It's a white marigold. Previously which we have seen, it's a yellow marigold. It is a rare kind of a marigold which is very beautiful. You can see very beautiful flower. I am focusing for it. I hope my camera is capturing the exact. The breeze is shaking the flower. It's not my hand, it's the breeze.